こんにちは、トレイシです。This is your motivational study break with My Nihongo lessons. 皆さん、こんにちは. Today we are reviewing these 5 kanji. I know we've seen them several times already, but today we're adding another pronunciation. This is the worksheet that we're using. This is session 19 in this grade 1 kanji workbook. Let's go through what we know about these 5 kanji. 3. The pronunciations are san, mi, mitsu, mitsu. みかんが3つ。みかんが3つ. Our example word is 3つ. 4. し、4、よ、4つ、4つ。山が4つ見える。4つ。5. 5. いつ、5つ。5つ拾おう。5つ。6. 6. ろ、む、むつ、6つ。川を6つ越えた。6つ。7. 7、7、7つ。橋が7つある。7つ。Now, let's look at these example sentences. I will say the number, and then I will pause so that you have time to write the pronunciation of the kanji with the line. If you need to, you may pause after I say the number, and then I will read the example sentence. Okay? Are you ready? Let's go. 1. みかんを3つ取る。みかんを3つ取る。2. 山が4つ見える。山が4つ見える。3. 石を5つ拾おう。石を5つ拾おう。4. 川を6つも越えた。川を6つも越えた。5. 橋が7つある。橋が7つある。How did you do? Were you able to write all the hiragana? Don't forget, some of these have that glottal stop with the small tsu rather than the large tsu. So be careful with that. Here's the worksheet we completed for session 19. Take time to look at the verbs that are used in this session. 3 of them are very rarely taught in the beginning levels of Japanese. Remember, these verbs are in the direct style, so you will need to Pay attention to how you look them up in the dictionary if you're only used to writing in mas form. またね。
皆さん、よくできました。
Join me on Patreon for new lessons every week, downloadable resources, and live study support. And a special thank you to all of my Patreon supporters.
ありがとうございます。
Please like this video and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss another Marugoto goal. And please share this with a friend, because studying a language is always better with a buddy. またね!